Okay, so how we're going to use our plan. I'm going to show you how to use your plan to write your equipment. This is very similar to how we used our plan to put in our ingredients. Okay, so it says write your equipment here. So I'm going to start with that same sentence again. You will need, and I'm going to start listing. So I know that I've got all of these pieces of equipment that I've planned for. So I'm just going to paste them in, okay? Make sure it's the same size as the rest of my text. And then I'm going to add in some detail now because that isn't just finished. We can't just copy from our plan. So I've said a large bowl. So I'm going to pop that in there, a large bowl. Then I've got wooden. Oh, that was to describe the spoon. So I'm going to put a wooden spoon, and I've got sharp and heated. Sharp was to describe the knife, and let's change that to A this time to make it make sense. A heated oven. Okay, and again, just going to do some spaces here to make it really clear. Okay, lovely. So that's your how to use your plan to um, write your equipment paragraph.